Yeah. Get the video camera. Even your mom shot the 9mm.
Okay, so how do you... Okay, it's already recording. So ready, this is how you lock and load.
Yep.
It seems like I got more on the target with that one.
Yep.
You know, I think your phone would be better than that because you can upload your phone right away. How do we upload that?
We can plug it into my computer and upload it in 5 seconds.
Cool.
Wait, can you wait a second?
There you go. There you go. Okay. You got too excited. You're the best, buddy. You're the best. You got excited, you know?
I did.